Starbucks Hiraya in Tagaytay, bakit pinipilahan? Pipila ka ng 2 oras para lang sa kape, pareho lang naman yan sa ibang Starbucks, di ba? So bakit lahat gustong pumasok sa Hiraya Tagaytay? Ang totoo, hindi lang kape ang binabayaran. Yung ambience, view, as yung feeling na parang nasa postcard ka. Ginamit ng Starbucks Hiraya ang architecture to tell a story. Warm mood tones, open glass walls, and that modern bahay-bahay na perfect sa lamig ng Tagaytay. Kaya kahit pareho lang ng menu, iba yung lasa ng memen. Kahit hindi lang to cafe, it's a destination. At yan ang core ng strategic architectural design. Hindi lang para maganda, pero para madama mo yung brand. Kaya kung business owner ka, ask yourself, ang brand mo ba may Starbucks Hiraya effect? Yung kahit simple ang produkto, pinipilahan kasi maganda ang experience kapag pakiramdam. That's what architecture does. It amplifies your brand. It turns a space into a story. And that story makes people stay, spend, and share. Find the architect who knows how to help your brand stand up. Someone who has a heart to share the same goal with you.
Ikaw, anong Starbucks story mo? Kwento mo naman sa amin.